it's a problem? In the city, all the people have problems. We can speak about delinquency, corruption, and other things, but it's a problem that the people ignore, the noise, or it is also no so air contamination. But we can speak from the noise so a problem. The noise is a problem because the noise have consequence in the spot in the that it pressed, and if the noise is a problem, the noise have solution, which are the possible answers. We can find the solution. We ask some people if this was the that they said about the topic. We can find the solution. We have know the causes from the problem. For example, a, a street is more used, and object listen music more top, and constructions. Some possible solutions. If the people know the rules about noise, the people will obey the rules. If the traffic improve, the noise will decrease. If the construction it is quick, from the noise will decrease. If the people control his tone from both, the noise will decrease. If the people monitor the volume from keep electrics low, the noise will decrease. If the people limit the use from the keeping electrics in the moment from rest, the air contamination will decrease. If the people improve the care from his pets, the air contamination will decrease. If the people report the events that can cause noise, other people will have prevents from they do not be affected from the noise. If the people are more surprised, the air contamination will decrease. If the authorities have restriction adopt noise, the air contamination will decrease. If the authorities give sanction from they do not follow the rules about noise, the air contamination will decrease. If the people think in the load from the sound that cause the air contamination will decrease. If the people understand the sound, the sound and causes its irritating, the air contamination will decrease. If the people limit the volume from the sound will not change to noise. If the people understand the difference wind, sound, and noise, the air contamination will decrease. They remember the air contamination is a problem, but as all problems have absolute. In this case, we they do a small change. I ask to they is other problem that we ignore. Thanks for watching the report.